What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for by your friend abiexpress.com. Who are brochimemu no pobiato bibi frigana mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria and yen for baku neton, open laser and yen for baku neton, open katia and yen for baku neton. Bia upebiano and yen for baku neton. One your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so and chakura na wonsaka. U America, UK, Canada. Yes, ya for 9 na baby bia wubiano shipping wunyamana dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no I yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abini ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But, Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook, and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Tititititiri de bapemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwa woyiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababe so how bebria na nipa na mu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa eho tewo na watu ade amawo borehole drilling yaye bi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabi a wo kire yense to know a yadi betu so asasene yem ansan yetu ye hand any electronic pump installation hydrofracture ya the machines ahoro esi asasene ni yatinsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no eho tew utimenum wode hurade egware mpo a unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers wasing ben nyumeku momre ne rade na ye drilling company limited ya bebo am wenyen super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Eradina Drilling Company Limited. This is Sue Ayonkwan.
Minu Ghana for me chechi amunyina. Ema munu abema Avram bin Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. Common Sense Family a awakening movement a yedi bi ni pani. Said the bay especially a bibi mine e be fa ne to ba pefra. Midia de to me ankasa Ali Ibrahim. Ya wo min kremoni be ye Kristo ni. Esua de abanjifo no. Esan se wa wo tire asem de ka se ye nso wo mum nyina hwe se fi awrade a. Tina me sua osum godro nyina. In conclusion, be hu say all religion or sum biara was invented by man. Obo ade na ma ye som na emum o ma ye adwene sense of good judgment say ye mfantine wiase. Enfem bobra. Eye ensembise bi say Bible mum pensempensemu. Koran mu adesua ni osum godro mu adesua any other social issues and ye de bremo e wo program ya to din say time with the Common Sense Family 9:30 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturday. Enti shia me wo sonfo Avram bin Moshe e wo Tumpani TV adwena anya adwuma body ne bre yɛda mo nyinaa ase. Bye bye.
Yes, if Abraham be Moshe. Nana yeton kanta man ka Ghana antiti say religion tin kam ye say nyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yen kocha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibini a ye frɛ wo saying was your friend Frederick. And so be who broni bia ye frɛ no Kofi Konto. Ya yara identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni say nekete that's why bibini mbo.
Woman body for Yariapa, any person up and here. Mosiatia, sorry. Any person up and here. When you come to me, I've been wrong. Mosiatua, sorry, by force in Jaja. Be a bear, Juma. Be a bear, Juma. And Samia Coso, near to us, sorry. America tells some Mecanto man is say, I'm Shaya. Be a little bit without Coso. Yari by Yakase. Yari by Coso. I'm said that's one day I took America James. Say, I'll be a woman, pa. Me part to a man, penny for them, sir. Yamaya Cosiada. Near Fanya, sorry. Now I see a photo coming down. Then come a photo cofiada. Make us somewhere. A penny for Mama's house. Monsieur, what they say? A penny for Jamaica. And what is this? Ghana, Yari by Coso. Now, Coso, Samu. Mikanina. A penny for Jamasa. And a very agro. And a very agro. And a very agro. Oh my God, the Sagumajabo. I don't my God, the Sagumaja. Oh my God, Yakada. Yet Pierre. Every sir. Body not why you're dead. Everybody are for more. Everybody are for more. Papa, your body saying.
Abuja for me mamu nyina akwaba mamu mfre direct why mo mfre WhatsApp why ba mo phone no your phone ba akwa sei enti che obaso anu abekere wadwen ya wo 20 minutes for phone call 20 minutes enti ofra adwenkyera wo bia na de aba why ti yadam ngina ase Pacho wa baba subia no na we lower o volume na maye no ma okasa na ye ntem e pa mo chew o baso apacho nde ye mo bia more than 2 minutes hello benyi
hello ever
Pacho wo din be bia o kasa free
we on your bema a lot of books o de o share Facebook agu stand on your bema e share beach class so the kaya Meka say obody e share dey the power dey we am on my Ghana
that's it ya to kan yeti o
okay the kind no the person Meka say sa lockdown here o man penny dey abey mesre million Ghana for nyina yema ya adwen enye adwuma hwe unim say e bia yo madwen so be to trust am on koto aduane kra na we pie say me koto aduane na me koyese e kofo so plan yeva ne say akra say ne ebri e kwan ne nwa ntie ne o ko ebri akwa pege sa bia hye ana o pe small town bia akwa pe ba bia hye mesrew so ko sa small town ho na o yare wo hono ma we say hospital bia ni hono mo ebe hwe wo
okay
tuma na adwen enye adwuma o man Ghana ye man na adwen enye adwuma one of the commercials are now bono but say prophet one e kana onyame na ya ye bone na masa
ya represent
mi enjoy sa en collaboro no I mean, it is high time we use our senses. What are you talking about? Maybe you're Christian 100%, but I'm using my common sense because how can I live life without my common sense?
Thank you.
It is high time. And then, as my advice, I'm a soft one person or the 2 page. So, go across now they are in a cohon man as a corner of a hospital be a one, but it's a sign of back group. And I mean, who say, also for the common sense.
One time. Let us say. And now Baswa 2 seconds or so free no be suba. O Baswa I will check 2 seconds. Hello.
Yeah.
Me ba cha udin be bi akasa fi. Ma ye program we am from. Ye program. Ba cha udin be bi akasa fi.
Me kasa fi Korea.
Ba cha ye ti o 2 seconds.
Yes, yeah, that's it. I say the American say president no and they are from Swanky to be on my enya baby, but any directives now omodia ba so what I say who support you yenhwe so but a wake up call to our religious leaders, political leaders and traditional leaders say it's about time I was say omo many share if he so na citizens so demand a lot say so be bad the president or my anymore and enye mrakiti say ni kwan say okosa ho yare wa abuchi na won kosa ho yare wa abuchi na besa ho yare wo Ghana we make sure say the kolebu nyam wo di ama omo we make sure say the confanoti nyam wo di ama omo. It is better you train your doctors outside than treating your leaders medically outside, because if you treat your leaders outside, the benefit is one. The benefit only goes to the leader. By when you treat your doctors outside or your professionals outside, then the benefit comes in two ways. The leader will benefit and the citizens too will benefit.
Perfect submission. Yeah, that's it. Oba, quick one. Why in the fast? No, be swaba. Hello, Minia. We didn't be Akasafi. Hello. Hello. The Bacho didn't be Akasafi.
The Kasafi South Korea.
Bacho Yetio. Yetio.
Let me say, this disease now, a wake up call to the political leaders, the religious leaders, and the traditional leaders. Say it is about time. Say, and we become many Yasha citizens. No, not a new man, minor, among two ton, omunye. Na we leader, Ghana. Now the two so persuade leader, and can was say. Oh yeah, any person don't feel money. A yamra, near treat your money. It is a colleague Yamastin via Obeto. It is better you treat the leaders, the professionals outside than treating the leaders outside the country. Who could treat you leader outside the country? Benefits no one in ya, but who could training only the professionals not outside. The tell say Oba obetimi ansa only than yare no asasite den so de yare intimi be see no for
Minia, that's it. Hello. Bacho didn't be Akasafi.
Mike Lefefe, London.
Bacho Yetio.
Yeah, what a very beautiful submission. Now, moreover, now we talk about saying benefits of the citizens. So, yeah, very important because you can hire your own. Prime Minister, almost your Muslim, no Muslim shop, no Muslim, package or diamond, with your 80% salary, a month. A copy say, yeah, as a very so I say, if you do or nothing to the canoe, I want to so very obedient. One lockdown was continuous, better no idea. With the international, they say, citizens, to me provide all your provision, the moment, because I say, no one will speak to trouble, your provision is more. Parliament, your provision is more. Quite first we best for 2 hours. And they friend say, self-employed now that didn't. It should be income. We try 80%. Say, too bad.
Another suggestion here. I buy crime we water bill, any light bill, no. On so my.
Yeah, because I haven't my friends say rentals now that then almost no seven is and yet it is sooner that in the move. Yeah, Utio be 80%. Copy say arena to bury a bit.
That's it. That they are kama be aba positive. Pacho, what about Subian will lower a mine? Pacho didn't be your Casafi. Pacho didn't be your Casafi boss.
China.
Jojo Pacho Yetio boss.
Pacho, with me submission ka cram person me de ban say me gidi pass said your utility that be well, you benya leader be a free common sense.
Yeah.
Our baby president.
and you know the person mechanic ye tias say ye one year maybe a free abroad for no ho.
Yeah.
And ye 1 year maybe beyond yesua.
Yeah.
Yatina ho ama yarena baby lockdown the nya baby by any fake. By foot wa medema ye common sense for say one day me dem oji dem wa China me ko school me nim said ye nkofo tio. Definitely back ba be leader. Common sense ni. Na ye hu say sisi Ghana lockdown ya bay ye wo. Ghana for majority living with from hand to mouth. Obi wa just say when dia aduane me good table so.
Yeah.
Bon. No sa we 14 days till the day and then 2 weeks lockdown. Mwa me na me catch say ebi mu kra betimi afa mu kra community we throughout this quarantine.
But me ya bacha me ntwa no o man pegini ye the partial enye total lockdown partial.
But one say Abraham obi wa ya to kaso mu obi ho a wo free Accra baby no o raka so na ko boy adwuma obi won so free kaso baby. And obey until Odu barrier and say, yet me manning crossing on call where you man. Oh, if you missing for would be a crowd with come crab once a woman a contract you are for you. Oh, missing for any way, no cross a crowd will be your contract. It's no media. I mean, me say a good initiative, dear, but as that be an leader be back or measure
system no expose system no.
Yes, a good, but me still weakness.
Okay. Okay. Good. On my peggy crack say. On my peggy can say. Measures or the two when no subject to we review. Obesai I am Moses and TM say a good idea. Tiada was a pa. Yadasi. Say the pay program. Obaswa constructively. No was watching the wagging. And yet, in the dear Quasia, one or necessary. Hello, me, I will be a Casafri.
Mr. Your friend Gilbert, make Casafri Norway.
But what you?
Yo, so, Medasne, we one may in a platform near to me, dear Casa. Mr. Madrin try, want to say, we, on my penny, why are there, you won't say, or make some good effort, but one thing is, Ghana no ye na first year ho ye nim sana hot here and hoso ye di inti se obetimi ape bibi kakra no they support to say sikasem ni adia because o close bibia down even omo ye tete india so omo ye aduane tonya adia ni na omo ina be diamo nti se o man penin betimi aye bibi kakra de aboa enka no so be fine ana sana wo ka se asofo no so nka omo bia sorry dan no so omo fa ho nye enfanya advantage and in ban omo ye fene ndida wo mu nka no so a good idea nti idea ni fine but emotional munye bibi and found obi abetie wa muzo anka be fa
that's it pa hello Ghana for mon frère Ghana for na mo fie mon frère me ba cha odin be o kasa fi
Abraham good morning
yeah odin ba cha 20 seconds yo yetio
okay with the Kakrebi America, we be post view of Facebook, I think the Facebook about nation prophet in the banner and the man, you know. I then now will be short to be. I think that and then Ghana more banner. We don't program there with religion until
nation blogger.
Yeah, nation blogger, Nemano.
Yeah.
It's a person or woman.
Yeah.
May share be posting on Facebook. These are the kind of children that we want to bring up.
Yeah.
Not anyone mama be taking care until you good idea and you good. Sana ina me say me obi sa me ba. Sana me ba me de need bad too.
One time.
Your friends saying idea na na do aye no. To be honest with you, papa no pressure here born no papa no wo ye ne dia.
O deliver. Yeah.
Yeah, about Ghana for a problem.
yenimraso. Mama yeni so from America. We are partial lockdown. You will still be over completely lockdown. Sound that year. Because the best thing I bet me I can tell you, I say, you better lock it down. Not on my when you bino. Hey, two woman.
Hey, wifey, your patch of money landed. Why? Boss. I'm say quarantine into wifey here until you fast now.
It's me. I say a good thing. You look at the even Senipa Kura. For majority sake, yeah. Because the way it's spread now, nothing.
Yeah.
If they are nights on them, just as my bed. It's in another yard, your support.
That's it. That's it. Hello. I'm on Fred Direct. Yes, I'm be on Fred Direct. Hello. But oh, Basho, so. Oh, Basho, this one. I'm more be on Fred Direct. Why is someone? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Abraham, good morning.
Bacho, didn't be a Kasafi.
Bacho, because of free US.
Bacho, yet you.
Yeah, my friend is sick. Bacho, I can't with the mechanism. I'm off to be bring to my monitor to Yakuim. I'm back a mechanism, Yen Abano, MZ, Nanado, Ugusu, and from the Inti citizens, no, yes, Mumbi, Yenya Suti, Mapapano. Then the Baya, who Suja phone calls and Yabam will be so natural and confess and mana. The obese better will be a background, not compiece of a canvas. Mr. Yentie, they are smart upon a cano, a supermana, year for year to year. And I will say, or they say, what they say, or Pambo, as a man, no general platform, so I walk, I say, what they say, and another work, I say. Yatu, sorry, ye be a barring.
Very bad.
Very bad. The Bible too much. The depends Yana was independent, depends on me. Obviously, I voice Yan and Yakuna Baros and Gomuya, or Pambo Cabot.
As a Yana Hifanedu. Asemo. You're close to Baku Church. You're close to Baku Church. You're coming in study. You're close to Church Baku. Yeah, that's it. Hello. But you didn't be your Kasafi.
Hello.
You didn't be your Kasafi.
But you did the Kaki Kasafi. No way.
But you. Bacho, yet you. Bacho Baswa, meant you who walk till who are phone so. The Bacho didn't be your Kasafi.
But Michael Kasafi, US.
Bacho yet you.
Around Yamisha near Jamal.
That's it.
Medawasina, Kaka Mekan said. Media advice na medema yenu anamuna bibi wo munsem na ompeso omopoa Abraham so mbeboa omontra so omonko communities na omonnim wo mo no omonko ho na bibi omo won se mo se hand sanitize so se wipe so omonfa ma omo because we say ye bra ye papa kwame your friend say kwame
despite kaka cray or the core hospital come on me Abraham said ye bibini adwen boni wo bibini trimu no yasemo this cannot transfer Abraham or best squeeze kana say ya adeni be wie no na scan majority na akodi ni bottom enti mesere so obi wo moanes wo de beboa Ghana fo a won kokko communities ni afie omo bo enkofo dosum na won fa no ma no ana ba wo to no ma bi max ni bi ana say wo adwen chane say mama ni nyeska enya ni oma no iska de black man iska sa na Abraham
normal crowd okay. Abraham, bet me the normal number. People who know travel no turn no man. What the man go for no more turn no stores no more turn.
Before the
Ghana for more the. Media data acquired the be a cancer asking with Abraham. So you are just here at Ghana and Nado. You be deal crime Abraham. And Ukraine say discipline, yes, discipline, and sanity. Ghana for you to quiet a we are seeing Abraham, your bar, and the indiscipline about America and Europe. But because of them running to know, I'm out beer, you say a crap, what was your poem? Ubiajo. Mebra. And until them rabbi more Ghana, everything say everything as a man who says that Nanado buy SMPCC prisons, your barber prisons in him. Yes, just get jail in Crawford.
That's it. Hello. Bacho, maoneso kakrawai. Udini bebi yao kasafi.
Yeah, hello.
Udini bebi yao kasafi.
I don't be fair. Yeah, Bacho, because of free, Bacho. Because of free, it says Germany.
Bacho yeti yo.
Hello.
Owo so kasa yeti yo.
Hello.
Me bacho owo so kasa yeti yo.
I'm not sure because of free, said the kind. And I will be Bibi kakra na American fa the woka no first a partial lockdown no I'm not here no.
Okay.
Na the kakra American say on say before some babes a partial lockdown we can omudi ka ko pine once na I say omo say mo ye na aso meka so mo nya.
Enya easy, we na enya easy.
Because of say economy nya dey na economy no enye ni ntino ama see kind because omo dwene dodo no ase ahia for sebe dodo na sebe omo so papa kwa se kan say so the dia kan ina ne say o se no sebe hand sanitizer they gonna ka sama for and to non from protection mo pa no aye di ko mebe mo yes nye philanthropist bi na so omo ye de omo ya do ye eboa ma abanfo bi nya bia mo se ka aye din so ni nyina ye adwuma a eni o manum o ti die kan na se pani fo no se sro mo se to aba mo ase di achi edu o machi yes sacrifice to aba mo ba o mun ti de youth no se de e kan o mun ye de ye de ma ye be o mun ye ma ye
adwuma open
na youth ni adwuma nje lockdown ye ba ye se youth no aye adwuma so yo
na kameka no ke adwuma o ho anka total lockdown crank any problem
so if you say I will see sebe and then say sebe I want to know too much you know and you me go on more you're not taking that down the locking in so still and for man for criticize too much man for panic too much so
okay
the normal bar yeah na won so dia wo kan so ya wo tie we chese nyese bia wo tan ba no won tan ba no na won tan obi abato po man yi inti dia de bia betra to social media na wo ka say abando mi adwo mo ya mperifo no mo YouTube na man fo nti wase na sebi no mu di watem no eni sa virus we no I bet testify common sense na wo kan ho asem no amu obi ehun say dia wo kan yansa sem na later no na man fo go yes be yansa fo na nge jimi fo
that's it
the making ina no to the was go so na boy na kan se panic share
that's it hello Bacho udini be bia kasafi
around Lawrence near me Kasafi New Jersey
Bacho yeti o
but as I say all my say konya we na we be contribute to program
okay
is it better for power but anytime be my friend then anya me ma do met my ballroom
okay
Abraham say lipa beautiful ankasa no yeah na that's been me compare profile ni year before na yeah na me who say nyame na bo bibini a
yes sad
because adwempone nko okay wa won test New Jersey City bi was a friend of Jersey City na no ya yare bai na store bi was a okoton paper towel a ton $2 na okoton $3
obedem
state no fine no $100,000. Yes. State no fine no $100,000. Na uche wia anaso obi tenchen china onya sa ade ni bi. Yenwe Ghana yare we buy hand sanitizer almost ton na $3. Cities no. And then in 1 million. Oh, some people will move here more say transfer and say yeah pump ya sering say obey intervenes I are really. We need part oh, sir, Christianity now work on and I
20 seconds to wrap up my
Mompacho. And in America, say, Emra engage more government, Subun, said the government, no. Because now we are, say, a social gathering, young gathering. They say, government institution, and I not almost register man for. I
know, almost suspended.
But, and yet,
bad. Yeah, bad.
Oh, it you know, Ghana, Mumma, young family,
that's it.
Because, say, Emrana Nyejuma, Ghana, Hoto Mahoda.
That's it. But I'm Fred direct, mean to me pick a direct course. Mean to me pick a direct course, Miss Ramoa, why? Mean to me pick it. Hello. Bacho, wouldn't be your Casafi?
But me did Nash. Be Fred
Montenegro, okay, yet you.
Hello?
Yet you. I am Mamma Tier phone, so yet you.
If I tell you, I shall say my corner team. We didn't ask me Fred free Montenegro. You are Miss McCown say. Dami Buanes here, near your election now. A SNS more family so fire agenda brand near Seat or Parliament. There South Africa EFCC for almost 1 year.
Yate. That's it. That's me. That's never so I belong to you.
Okay.
Hello, Minia. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Macho, we didn't be your Casafi.
Lifestone GH, me amini, me Casafi Ghana, me Shanya, Posu baby, na me Cassi.
Yo, yet you.
The area, the material you were for. Kakra me work can the old canny now, honor say. May my advice you too. Abraham, yeah, well, a before be or what a true time be said, ye be jais a black mentality. No, near the two baby near drink. Bibi near Quacunya Yarena. Obeba out about Betressa Yarena, Menyebi, I am a Shano. Obey an adrian said, me menyan quadi or so be and Sunyebi.
Yeah,
and she obeyed Obenam, our better check. Abraham Crawford yet.
Lightstone.
Yes.
The Bacho, Makai, be Mamma Kai, be not to us, Mammy. Me Pamacho. Adeba comments the Ghana for you and say, Obibia, obey suspect. I do quarantine, hono. Make sure say, Obama authorities are aware. All the people are getting in contact with them. Obi are not going to say, yes, me a suspect. Na Makome here, Makome Mammy, one and Mequacan. Yadi, Mamma, me here, Baba, and Tinon Cano. More young 1 year 2 Yadiana say, now, ya catch or say, when you suspect, crowd, let's say, oh, baby, to the Pamunacho, your Pamunacho, but your Lightstone to us, Mammy.
I Tiana American to Munja dream born and say, Omenya Yarian and Quadron Best Home Chiche. May advise that also me, no around. I saw for and sorry, I walk Ghana. A year. Free 2019 January last year. This is the time Nipansu Yamomoa. The Omaji free members know this is the time or some Musumutimi Trodo. Mimi who said this is the time or say I'm sorry and Komoba out. No more prove Meno Abraham wrong.
Yeah,
bet me I doye. And yet this is the time among mobile money numbers at all. Some Profonsan send you muska upon the one. Yes, it is strength soreno. The individual say Yaba Rihanna or my $4 million. Cristiano Ronaldo ama €1 million. Such stars no a video on hotels. Amma see am fan shade for. No more fan drama. This is the time I'm sorry I walk Ghana. Medan make us $100 million here for Babushi. clergy na Akufo-Addo freps course our breakfast bi Abraham emu 3 ombetimi akan say scanner omuntim fifre
simple
omoba kan wa the ama president. This is the time and sorry no so mba out and be kire say e ya mpa so mo ye nyame adwuma no mo do nipa sinska no munje mobile money numbers no mo de to ho say nkofo nsan send you muska na nkofo ho kire omo show la ye pretty de bia aye kan no eno anu no time aso mo prove it wrong say oh the na nkofo we kan no mo boa ye betimi ayi say still mo na mo show greediness ye to asori mu 1 week ke mu ye de kwede de omo ye opa mo nsem o kan sem fun wo Abraham me das me ba cho mini pe bia o si bisa se ben mo hie no we ye frudi no so ana because
edin da wono ye de e wo me ID card so Abraham bin Moshe na nyam din me social media name me din e wo ID card me din ankasa Ali Ibrahim ti Abraham bin Moshe na nyam din Abraham na me de ka me din ho aha
program no o hwe no eye de bufu ama onya hwe obeka fa ho se udin no ndo problem
I say Shatawali de ne passport a kire na o si ade na Shatawali ni passport ni oh yada se mini ya hello le pacho lowa le mai lowa utie wo ho pacho de ne be do akasafi CSF yadamu nyina ase ne mo contribution yadamu ase papa yabefa be 5-6 callers bi na hello bacho dini be bioka safi
mi dindi malo mi frefi ya Belgium
yo bacho yetio
hello
yetio
me adintra no say government no mo affordable houses o be prayer o mo isi ya nipa entinem nti o mo fama homeless for no at least for now, I'm moving control system because if you do work on everything, so what you say? Yeah,
that's a good idea. Affordable house in the BC ho. Wow. There be a kasa me fi say be a mpe aban na sem. Affordable house in si and esisi wa ye mfa nya hwi.
Ye mfa nya hwi is your kwan na e pro. E na the person e go kwan so bi no metu tax kaya you anyway. Then for more for now at least.
Good idea.
You know,
good idea. That's it. Hello. Pacho, maoneso kakra mai why? So you su earpiece now we use phone na me pacho. Yente wo papa.
Yeah, Abraham nanya say.
Boko, udini be bianka safi.
Friend Cookman. Fefi Germany.
Bacho yo yeti o.
Rabia ni no kre obo se o si etimi jeni.
Obo asem no bacho yenya total confirmation because was asamba media ni mu a e was say the media ni be portray ni take time na yakota na shi ni image enti na menka ho asem no. Say no kre se ba issue na aba yenya abotre enro se enro chi na ba ya yento yebo na emu no kure nyina se obo ebeba be yi ne ho anu a na yentie eye no kure se wadada oman na ye nyina de anu agim timesere mu ana yenya abotre we no ho mepa o chewo
Ghana pa do bi timi dim kwa asem keke no tini be
obo me ba cho obo asem no tini se omo se wa ye den
yes send me obi flame ewa am say ya onu information of Canada Japan grandpa o se ne papa no fi abochire ba e onu ni wo ya we se ni pa me ya ni ya ba ye ka se ya ni ya ba o ko fa ni pa no na de na ko se fi ni pa ya ni o ba be wu na se na wo ne ko hospital
okay yabagada information from the right sources yenya the concrete way yenu obo na wamboa o man no say no credit a wamboa yenti very bad say no credit a wanya de me hu say ne nam de but yen pesa be the wrong information be banti etre no betumi afre na information won yen sa aka na so ya de hu we na ba na wo de be hye dem na akosan nkrofo na ebebe sanete de ntwa yi yada se senior
Abra meslew ma watiefo ne tse se yare no eye no bre sto na Ghana fo bi di abo sto na no Ghana fo bi di abo ko ka se so da be na wutu kwan ana wutu kwan da be Abra mesle window e chobi be ni window e Abra be fo bi si mi pie o
eno ano no
mi se mi pie ye me hu abonten a me window ana me de hwa abonten Mimpia, but Mr. Minam, you will see a bonte. Minam, you will see a bonte. Charlie, I grandpa, Abra. See a catcher or so, being a bin and a home tona. Abra, Lipan, Cabay, and then young men answer. Yariana, you Ghana for the Yariana, Diagrosa. Charlie, my
Anna, Kakana, make a dear Sudi and so say, or more case no, a no cry. On my young woman, yes, with politics, baby, my becatasso, a no cry. Young. Na proper measures and the crowd say you need to be manifest and then the faso na your example and the next person and look at me they count
Abraham Ghana near Wonu or so kai Ghana Africa what they say
that's it
problem and when I have problem
that's it hello
yeah
but I didn't be your Kasafi.
From Kwame Frederick Kumasi.
Yo, maybe about your lockdown, no more count, ATO.
Yes, so you let's say more for your serious because they're connected. I am Anna, some media, so sometimes so be more media, so I am Mukasano. You're quiet, na boy, na yam, amana education here. So much so yes, no need here. Since our mamma I didn't want you can now who they are. If you want to grab it, make and no son, I am quite ever two. And say, if ever saw so good my educated, if you are other Ghanaian people, is not when you better on how much mamma eat my boy on my feet.
Perfect. And that's it.
Oh, Sabo Bakumayana. It is not well with my soul.
Mate, it is not well here. It is not well. I would it is not well, Pam. Opambo, Kuni Power. Yo, Mate.
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul. It is not well. Well, it is not well with my soul. Yato, sorry. I was unfair, dear. Nana do antum. It is not well with my soul. Never, la. Mba. Ala.
Namiji, hello.
Adi asama.
Namiji for Radama, you could long.
Flamidada, you could do Flamidada.
Radam for Fladum.
I know for the Mafimukum Dada. Adi asent after man, you can see any move. Yeah, ready.
If you are air condition woman, water test, papa, jacuzzi, simono. Dapa yatam never see a tiwa. Yadina would have from Deccan. Wujin and Tanya woo yetana, a Cassamana, a Melantua Sema. Abrante ya water soria, Mawanina, Netai Jimino. Ababa wan so da soria mawani na ho ne jaya ho maso mawani na wa wabirabom ye beja bibia ho sasa
opamwo adi oye bia ni da ho hello menia hello
oh here ni stubborn proud
yeah me amini odini be bia Kasafi
Gane Shaggy Prince, aka the Chop Money.
Yeah, Chop Money. Chop what? Oh, 20 seconds yet you.
Yeah, that's it. But your friends say lockdown and yet total lockdown. Just out to me, a PA co up on thing, but to me for cars, I know much.
Now, to Africa.
Okay.
But Vienna piano within. And na person ya confirmation within. But ube pia reasons ne bia ukoto aduane. Okoto eduru ana uko didwa anase omo sebe omo ni public toilet wo omo fie no enye ya na so ma me bi yare critically enye critical de oso obi anhye dem.
Okay, now Sunday now is like VIP okofo and common bisao questions bino and no me no ya pa no me sanso nche sanitizers ne your friend say gloves ni ade no and also nkebeboa.
Okay.
The time I say churches any mosque no e so mo boa pa we na be me hu omo njuma pa omo ye say omo ye no kwalfo na say because mentis e so fu bia babonte ababe che enyo anaso abeka bibi papa bia fa coronavirus
collection na
collection na kumchacha beba concert sa no ababeka na mentis se so fu bia fan say ego prophet minim say me right there I was say wa wo yare ni bia uchia no pe yare ni
ge onwa
so tia mesrele pa so no de metume ye ni bibia na medina ko Italy and so person GD pa and ho edini ura hospital wa and one after the other uchechi omusa and worldwide
ono kwa nkedi obaji wo wi ase nya yizo
so this obetumi agana no mama ne kwan and ye didn't be Italy ha and Mrs. am Sweden and ye didn't go Italy entino and uchi omo one after the other na asofo no say yale we pa ho no mu no me gina oye sema wo omo kra bla
era asimni ya
ni mombe ye oye sem efeni hu sasa omu ni hwe na prophecies no benyini so mehye bi prophecies menyi so mama prophecies bia o Ghana because this is the time we say yale we me medin ka sasa enye se lipa de ekun omo nka yale we
abua papa yada asimni ya
amaye atrofo asofo ni edifo no
yada ase hello bacho udini be bia okasafi
Germany
bacho yetio
bacho African postman
oh daddy
yeah me say corona mama so ashi the whole world as well na mitie wo no uye video kitwa bi ekere osofo bi sene o si bomba ye say ye born inti ninia yenya sayare no ye ne Italy for Ghana ni Italy he for na ewu pa di Italy for na eboni na ho na Vatican ni ho na munya mu concert na mu yi no na say ade no man hwe ni na eba Ghana serious say aba America ni Europe no a sabi uni mkuko yare se bon mkuko yare bowa e bon mkuko a style mu diwu sana mbiwu because muni hwe Africa ni hwe ya o de be protect is ade no na second them break because of America your problem na ya you independent 63 good years your big problem say your mamra nya dumo ton se mra nya duma country ni die Ghana ye be kasa na wa hwe kura ye be wu ye ni na kura be sa wu aka ho because mra nya duma the mra nti obi a kromfo nti kromfo that's the problem Germany and Jamaica ye mra chinwa ye delibetu ye delibetu ye country so ye ayo mra nya duma Ghana ndi mra nya duma no om de benifo no president wa ye de wo di agoro se mra nya duma
asemo
na se Trump se hwan kasa wia ana Russia president kasa wia what ma good now any concert say they am after them Israel o my chip why ya dey do one so where ya chi one two ba bi no umuvu a chip no eduma me hu se wo pie
proper system database of track movement
they yari dam before na over the world no ba bia bibi ni wo bia no jimi nko a
Baby, we are still doing. She said, boss, the head more from my boss. Oh, my idea, she said, ending of this month, on the best testing. Within 2 hours. 2 hours, dear, we are there. Near to a concert in Kwa. Now, one mass of one. Until our kind, Sabrina and Yaduma. What did it? The baby. Say, Mamma, and Yaduma.
Da, better was it. Better was it. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Waba so dada nipa ne dɔɔso nti yɛ ne ntɛm udin na yɛ fast man pacho
we na question bi na me be say me show say what information be say me hu say partial lockdown we no say omo be ma doctors and nurses be home to home akoye test bi am ye hu say okay more people are in the homes at say ka so any place or more locking no ti no say on be hu say ya akoye test majority say na ofia omoye bi
this is the point nti we no fire ya be no another suggestion from CSF say nipa no ofie no yempe health way workers no yentu omu gukrum house to house eduru fie bia omu ufie ya check ye nya ba akopɛ mu nyina quarantine mu nyina ya check mu it's a good idea
na Korea ye ntina me say no bi na omo be this idea can useless ntina me
good idea
you na maka share me parents no my ready
great yeah that's it hello opa
SU for strategy middle.
Ghana for mu dwe mu maso. E dey na munim. Abrabo ye kan de di protect ye ho kra Ghana mu ni bi. Na yale aba de ente sa aba ekum nipa. Ye ka sa mo ho ba ya mu na mu di kum. E na mo asofo nom yire mo ho no wo mo yire mo. E no wo mo kensam. Wuni sa wo ankwa sole asofo no wone na yire ni mani di. Aimless. Bible si nimdi a me mani enti me twa wo mo agu. Enam se mo apu nimdi enti me so me pu mu temu ni me sofo. E de na mo pe. Wo ma me panimu a wa wo ma. Wo sofo aka kire o mampani se enam yale ni enti. Obi e mo no ho ban. Me nipa ntire kuakuo. Wo sofo se won do gire nyame tumi so enti bra. Wusu dwa wakodi a wo no ma bedie no a no abo asika na no na de akoto collection na de ama no. Otito ofui na tie Yesu ye nyankopɔ obakora no emra ye wo no ana wo hene hello do pe na ku no no onyankopɔ anyini wo ankyere bɔfo so koka kire Joseph sɛ on fa akwala ni nwane sam na nyame wo ho kwa sɛ nko obɔ hello do anifra ana wodi mununkum kura kata akwala ne maame so ene ne papa so anso se koka kire no fa ni nwane na wo hene ne pe na ku no muni nyansa mo kwa sɔle a sɛ mo be kan ba abu ni bie no mo nkan why you know suffer sebra cancer suffer sobra cancer wo ko pe bibi etie wu maame na eye wu nua bi na eye mu firi ko cancer ko yi aye ke nsam tire mu ye de na asesa wo mo abrabo mu nye de aba ne se wase e beifo maame e beifu nua na e beifu na wo ko cancer no a wo ji obi kuru me ka sei wunu nua ya aka no maame no wase mi ya ka den se nyansa we mu hunu na mo nsakra mo adwen na mo de na kakra o mampani ndi ato o mu ntie na mo nyam adwene se mu hwe ya mi sire wonyame se wo wo be kwa cancer no akwa fa sa ayale no bia ye giro nyankopɔ mo bro hu so se wo di kofia enka no ma so menti si ba bia na mo odwe maso dodo mo mra fam Ghana fu mo mra fam na mo nyanse hunu na mo ka no
yo bacho udini be bia okasa fi yeti o yare we dia etwam kwa asofo no ho fa be fam no on say dey obi aba out me say message you started me eduma me ye no enye say minimum dey am yo I know what I'm doing na wo hwe mia me metumi ne nyankopon bi akontokwa entumi ne nyankopon bi akontokwa na me bi tene ba bi a me ne kokon ka me didi anom ka me da asole ma wani na ho ma wani enna ho tiabusua yemfensia phone e kolo yanko charge mesa ba live biom why mesa ba live yam pick last caller. Hello. Bacho, we didn't be on Kasafi.
We did because of you coming.
Yo, Bacho, 20 seconds, yet you.
Okay. Yeah, we problem, we need offense and problem with that program nowhere. But as I'm just saying, now it's time for now you have to make money for a TV station. I say, so far as we have gone up to TV station, our program also know. It's now time is supposed to get money. So those who lose nothing now make it come on the house of a car. Because you are doing the same thing of church and then Muslims. You understand?
Me make it church.
You have problems with Muslim and the church. So you are doing the same thing with them. So it's now time you have to make money.
Make money how? Make money how? Yeah. I will make money how? Me making money how? I've been traveling now.
What do you have a TV station? Our program. It is now that you're supposed to make money.
TV station.
If you make money on the TV station, then you lose.
TV station, man. And then media, and you'll be TV station at one mommy airtime. Why? Tumpani TV no. Tumpani TV na media. Te obi no aba brumi ndua no. Wow. Religion. Nkremonio.
MC cloud ba kusina dim.
Oda bi da we kasa no apasa se obi no nsa. Dabi enya nsa sem. Religion wo. Baby apru na religion for monimu gu ase na mo be bawo mo head in shame no. Wow bi. Wow, ti otum say common sense family ya wadwuma ye wo hwe se see a level of nipa adwea. This is the time anka we a religious person you be frɛ say hey Abraham nsema wo kan ya na fa ne yehu Mecca yatum Vatican City yatum Jerusalem Wailing Wall and brother ho the whole world you close to down ti sad hello Bacha udini be bia o kasafi
your friend amankwa because if you was on contact TV
yo yeti yo
na yes pesika na ya ka tell me say common sense no ye de kwa person de pesika o ye mfa ani bere ani ayi boni mfa pesika
no
na ayi ya fa say say aso bubu e die me say say o say America for ina go to common sense common sense be bia duro ni die unu ya ka urade me say Germany for ina go to common sense Italy obi go to common sense omo ayelu omo ana ya kwanta omo nyina obi afre ofia chale ese mo Abraham nas no kan na bomo se woni omo mo abrese no won se ma o kan na bebre na timi sedis ka bda asofo se asofo enye akwanche mom bebre sedis ka de ba na ayi ba yi se ibo na se coronavirus ba yi se na asofo yi na akomodi e de wo no Abraham brade
Sesia no menua mame nkwara kakra enye ekom nyan ni omo problem ne ye sika omu lusu a single service e dynamic kind e binya 6 billion especially omo branches e team wo Kumasi no hwe Kumasi ahokire gu Kumasi e binya 6 billion one service e binya 4 billion 5 billion inti asofo na fa pen ne paper no mo atena se enti ade ananado de abei a save citizens no sika ye behwere me kire sika sabe danka Williams isudanaba dake World Mills opam mo Bishop Obinim sika omu make one service no enye kom
no more sound we guess you come your guess on book or sorry we don't sound you come there there be a plan. More than which is a come on your guess you grab was how you
now they okay now can ya we man for you know oh ya we okay on dan yame ase hwe
ayo oyiwa bra me say what you guess one mapa what say ade no e ya tem bia o ka say amanfo nim no wuzo so moka because the moment that be you anu aka say wo ka na so ye bonsam the moment be you anu aka bia so ye bonsam say wuli the idea we buy secret back when be actually say but now before na wo preach a e ya mitimi de to can say me de yisem e connect mo bi etie bi no a mo be ye dwuma mu ni ya say for me wo dwuma mu a o mo se tumu no enne o mo tie o program because ayare yi buy ye hu so fu bia wetin ya ka say metimi abo pa go bi onya coronavirus aso fu di nada enti dwuma ari die se na o kai kakra so be kai a bre bi last we catch us my wife program net no and I'm so brama me be say me san no mama ne ko enne odi mo na bete common sense
some catch us say nya botre man kan kire
o ka tire me say nya botre masa odi mo kura bete common sense na kura se tie me bra masa odi obi bre bi na me nyase bi aka na me say ya o ka no yare no kwa wa wundim na yo sofo na obeti nkwasi asem ke last week mi fi kuma say ba asofo utimi say mu jejita kwa no ebi je say utimi say kokomo mu die na no bi abetre tv say o man be ni o to charge si mu no o ti to apusu fi je say usika be de ye wo so fa oni o ba de ni ye mana
hello
hello
bacho udini be bia kasafi
we ba no so ara
wo so udini be bia kasafi
okay from me Kobe me kasafi jamin
bache yeti o
agina nya duma
body ne bre
normal we dey me so me contributing kakra me ka fa mu the president na ba the katawo ntina bi say na emuni pano sisi e dey pa no mo so mo ye afa ho ozo o ka sembi say se mo so mo boa na eye mu ntino ana o ka se mo na dem because of munti the battle what the mission after
yeah ti wa se pa
nti se wan kasa no protecting waba beka na se protecting then one now person will man problem we no enye president asem ade we na abana ye funny bibi say I grow and I say no abotre man na obeka fa ye na o dress like we are the we jisika we say ni no we no na ye enkrofo na ye kan de bia say oma kronfo no ye kan anom ka se yeboa sa die we ebema me asofo no mimblemu mu ebema wo na omko asore no omani beda ho the battle to them person can answer
beto asepa
because one kwa onye sika no say no dey fa o si mobile money enti wan kasa wo dwen ho say o kisi say mi nye mobile money famra me so me ne me mane me yiri ibedi den incredible omumu bibidi no ya bo omumu me ya say no mi hu say ye ka setinafia mi hu bibi e che say e kame anka obi o Germany bi eni obi o Europe bi eni mo ya ka so ntenafia enye ne ya
ano
because ebetia oka enye ko ya anoma stop bi egu ho
sansam
America na kan over
20 yenya sansam we na de bia ye ka say empanyimfo munya ntutu ye adwumanye eni o okakape yesi wo ya politics
bra menka sembi my apostle anase evi mu de niema na mo kraka no se mi pese mi bisa Abraham mi pese mi bisa o say ana mi misa common sense ana mi misa common sense for no de o ma dwini adwuma mi misa nipa na ye ka se o mu asori o de dia ye ka o mu ne ye kon mi misa say any penifone mi misa say se ye tana efia for how many years and for how many months ana Ghana e bit ma survive
But the person is
Yati pa.
And you say so be anti even 1 month could be. I'm telling you the fact. I come a big queer, I come to be queer, but I come back to America also could pay Biane. Now America, I know what was away now one to good no one was because one was what if 20 years a common no. As someone working, it's time we a timer as a general, a year juma. Mom, Quasorin, Upin Cassan Quaso, that time we will begin. Now, time I may watch me, which the Abaya was still an inside you, Mubamani family. Now, what's Nebino Nastella and Yama cost to Neo Coswa. A then I may.
Thank you.
No,
and I see. Perfect. And I see. And I Yeniana Sika Krana Akana. Wo de betu fie na se quarantine ne to aso a wo de no so for se sen ne bra tie se lockdown ne to aso a bebia benya biane ye de no wo be kire hello ba cho din bebia ka se free
me pa cho ye free manafi me ka se free itiri
ba cho ye tie boss
yo Abraham me bon pa the mom me say common sense for the obi abon pa the mom yanko pon shira pa
that's it
pa udi this omo money down e be hu dia wo kan money down any e tu kwan no ye ne nim dia wo kan pa so e be ba so ama o man no
that's it
yo nipa bi won mo a sebi o nipa honam na dra no kwa bai aboa no mu no ya aboa what dey me tell na say
yeah
akoya oba oba kasa yi mi hunya nsasem bi oba oba kan because they see an asofo for omo to ada ho the cost war we are see an nkasa nye omo Jesus Christ bi no say omo nyankopon Bible mu nyankopon no ho no a nka oso nko twitwa die because was say nipa ji ni di anti asofo for no senchire na omo say omo chairmanfo ani omo ye ma guguafo ndanti no omo ntimi me yenhu ba bi ya de we free by Abraham ntimi kasa bi mi das nyankopon chira
that's a senior that's it hello But on no volume no why you take one castle
okay me patcho malo me volume no
odi ne be aka se free
me patcho the great good Lord Abraham Ben Moshe me patcho your friend me Bismarck me your former player of King Faisal me kasa free Germany
oh okay
na me patcho me would die hard fan me te won kana me hu je me ho my wife your friend of Mrs. Yana Ekai on also a support pa na tambia eye twini nti o kan na ma translate ya tire no nipa bebrebe wo Germany ya dotuma ha me wai aye support na Mr. Abraham Pacho tambia na o kasa ya na o tai e kase religion e na woni omo ewo woni osom no ne won tokwa but asofo no de enka o ban Pacho Mr. wa say you can never fight the religion or and leave the pastors alone because pastors no mom ne kita sum no mu and you can say only or some ne want to kwa na ya sofo ne enim to kwa e da sofo ne benya ye no Mr. Abraham on be ma ye mobo nti mesre say enye say bia ye no omo konto kwa gidigidi mom nka I think say
menu ne ba menu asma wo kan eno na ye me kona me ba discussion ye be ye wa na mu na mo de mo adwen kira ba se me ka se enye asofo na me ni omo nya enye aso se obi nim ebu ni members ya me ne nya adwen sofo obu ni members but se ye ne sofo no beto otankuro mu se odi bem wo ba bi a yen ka se odi fo omo de omo nya yen no mu ngu ye ni mu ase I don't care but honesty sincerity and truth and ye de adwuma ha se obi di video beto abonten se obi nim ene oba bi akoda na enye nokora me metena nka se ye nokore ba so bi be proof se obi nim ene oba bi ada ye nya proof a ya gi atom odi oba ada when repina we emfa me ho ba se obi nim ye money laundry a ye mfa ne court na wondem se obi nim ada church member bi agini gold bar akwa koton e dia to Rolls Royce ye njeli no. This is the difference between I am not fighting the pastors. Remember, Reverend Bofo need to as the personal life. But or ye people who saw them na etia or the Jesus thing. And we are Canada. Tisa uncle no.
Okay, the great good. Meda was a pana. Mate unte trimuno. Na me pacho meda was esa say o kan say ye ni na kakra bi obi abetumi no omranti at least me so me kakra metumi ne ye ese me dia ne ye the defenders of Abraham Ben Moshe's message enti kakra kasa ketua bi ebetumi no yeso ba be kasa ne dia support no ye omo suni mu no ye dia bie am omo so atibi na data bia no ya na reverend bofo o kasa ya na o say o kanya asasem ampa o kanya asasem nembom no o tapu free wunya asasem na o say ase kan
maka wo say why smart and wabe tapu common sense no and na still or dey ton abeyifonku
yeah
let us say
me the best but me salutu Mr. Ben Mose me salutu na yeta wachi enti de uye bia no yesro koso na ye na TV station no ma boma busuafo ni na amane obia de atotumba ni TV enti mesraw ye hwe wanim e free and echo me de wasnam de manuasi
me da mu ina ase
na adwuma
body ni bebre da say ya me fa last two callers na ya de jumedie ni na bewi last two callers na ya kwa be saba ye bade a me kasa kakra bi no ma gye mo adwenkyere said dem pese ye handle issues e duru ba bi a wasa me ma so the benefit of the doubt na so mo kyere mo adwene me na me kasa e bi a me konisi amompe me konisi wo de ba na enya na ya digest na ye hu no kura wo mu na ya adwuma ni yie why enya nne afi ne beton ye nyansa me I don't need some kwaje bribe or sofo there be meaning bible mu kra chen sofo no nti the only thing I may say me hwede me nye common sense bi mu a obi anhye me eno no say one day na my video abusuafo me na me fa me afran bi ni mo hye na me de me ho ena me se me nje bible ndi ma hwede we anye ma kono ma je bible atum nti me kwate asole obeba na waba we then e wom me kwa me nya me chen obi a me se enne me kase ma je religion atum a Christopher be san be di mechi no antichrist massacre o sa na yeti wo nti enye nde bi ne yekoto ye nim de ne nyansa why yada mo ase hello la cha odin be bi o kasafi
yeah Avram me kasafi US
ba cha yeti o
Avram me kasafi US wo fam na hoze na kaka mo ende ayaze pa instead you go do you follow ayaze na mara maabua mu meyira o Ghana maabua minis kapa papa mo atweze be na gufienti one many problem mo maabua mo fa mebien maabua bia no ba no ofie
one time
nti kaka egbe ni yene nwo na yena adwene mun yedase na man kasa ndada muruku edwuma Avram mudu edwumum na woze machine kire modo ne azun onye edwuma wo pay certain amount be 90.60 ne minya 90.30 na man kasa mijim bom bim na man kacha wanda maka bicycle na mazaba edwuma nso mama kmontom yim no also man kata no but ten was miss nti se me ye baby a abaza mama ye metna wa be 20 minutes mo kwa bi mo kwa ya na azun o shoot you cry straight 90.71 na mesra me dase uka ka she o me ye medwuma nti onyam bofra me nhye me da Avram me ye edwuma nya na mitribom nti mu nya no wo ga na abaza na wore ye me mpefo wo ga na abaza na wore ye na kufa da abaza na ere ye Masrawan won boyen ebe o ya zemo yo ya ka ya ka ku ebe o yesu ayo wa o de mo su na wiase nyina nsede azoli sin o ye yo yempinfuru won hu pa ekoye mede ene de mkan wedwum ekoye mede da azin wenzin kan wensi wa Ghana no su abrochi
o start wa Ghana
funyina obese wonya abrochi
akonya asem papa
enchepe funya bese wonya abrochi Avram mesraw common sense dama kan onyeku onya asor ibia fonto no hodo anya sime ye beke biara na beto na memen wanga satna ono wa asodwen
Okombo says the USB. Na ye madam as onyen in sanda ho e frebiala odeka adwuna ye dwuma body no bre o madam as no move so avra mesro was for ye dwuma na ye hu das no roko adwuna ye dwuma body no bre
that's it your abusiafo yamfa course biom ye twa 2 hours eye ye ko rest ye besan so aba ye da mo nyina ase TV station no eye tumpani TV ti mo country busuafo omuguso bo commercials no at the right time mo be start yi ye da mo nyina ase ye besan baba ka biom ye da mo ase any odo kese a mo yi a kire mam remfi money box challenge no na yenkoso emboa mo support CSF kwancha DFA diska na eye on ba betwa video no ibetu ya cameraman ne ade nyina nti esremo a cameraman ba betwa ibetu ya neka mommoa na bibia nkoye yada mu nyina ase mo support movement no esremo a na bibia nkonkan emai yada mu nyina ase ti besa ti yenka ebimti yenkotie yankasa ye chief general opambo na wasem bi ka kire
wo man pani fo yari apa eni pensi apa na dia mo si ati asori eni pensi apa na dia o ko mi fi ba bi na be bra o memo mo si ati asori ba to sin jaja bia ba ya juma bia ba ya juma asawi akoso ni ati asori abari ka tse me ka tse o mani se ya sheya bia ni be hura akoso ya ba ya kase ya ni be hura akoso se na so na ya tum abari ka tse se ya bu ya mo papa me fa to ma pa ni fo jam se ya ma ya ko siada ni ya fanya sore na azi ya fosu ko me benda na ka bo fosu ko fiada me ka sasa wa abari fo mama sa me se wa de se abari fo je ni America abari se ya tia Ghana ya ba kosoro na koso ji semu me kaninya abari fo je masa ana me diadro Omangana segu majabo abado omangana segu majabo omangana yakada yatimipie afisa body na roya day abari afumo papa vya body say
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Abrochi memu na upobia to bibie friga na mawa en how hukra. And one is a ubeko online.